Hey, what's going on? Carpet cleaners, home cleaners, gutter removal. Do you have basically a home service based business and a contractor and you're looking for better ways to generate more qualified appointments, leads and sales for your business? Well, my name is Malik Ali and our agency we specialize in working with carpet cleaners, home cleaners, painters, roofers and contractors, and we get them crazy leads and appointments. Okay, and in this short video I'm going to show you how we do that. Okay, and in fact right here we guarantee 3 to 5 cleaning jobs and customers every single day. Okay, every single day I'm going to show you the exact strategy that if you were to utilize, you're going to get, you know 3 to 5 carpet cleaning jobs every day. Okay, and it all boils down to a proven social media ad template and a strategy. Okay, and we utilize Facebook. Okay, we've tried out Instagram, Google ads, and by far Facebook is the most effective strategy to get leads. Okay, cheap leads. These are people who are going to call you on the phone and they're going to be like, hey, I have a home, 3 4 5 bedroom, or I have a whole house and I'm looking for carpet cleaning, I'm looking for painting, cleaning. When can you come and give me an estimate? Okay. So the secret right here, this is really important, is in this right here, the irresistible offer. Okay. You need to have an offer, something irresistible that people can't say no to. Okay. And then to spice it up, you can add a bonus or an incentive. Okay. And I'm going to show you the ad copy real quick right here. This is the Facebook ads platform. And if you want to do this, all you got to do is, select the leads campaign right here, campaign objective. Make sure you select leads because we want to be generating leads on the Facebook platform, and then click on the next and go to the ad sets. Okay. And let me show you example of proven offers right here. You could do a 50% off, 40%, clean 2 rooms and get the third room for free, $20 off 2 areas, special offers like this. And then you can add a bonus incentive like a, free auto treatment in any room, a free hallway. And if you do this, if you utilize the offer and an incentive, I guarantee you're going to get more qualified appointments and leads. Okay, so this right here is the ad set. This is where you get to select the people to see the ad. This is where you get to target people in your local area who are going to be, looking for carpet cleaning and, gutter removal, painting, right? This right here, you're going to select your location, and right here you're going to select the Facebook feed. Okay, because we're going to be running this ad on the Facebook news feed. Okay, have you seen those posts that say sponsored? So this is the exact post we're going to be running to target people in your area who are going to be looking for your carpet cleaning and home cleaning services. Okay, this right here is the ad. Take a look at this. This right here is the exact ad. If you were to use this ad right here, if you can copy and paste this and steal this and use it to run the Facebook ad, I guarantee you're going to see results. Okay, this is a guarantee. Okay, take a look at this. This is the image. You could do a before and after picture. It works great. Or you could do a video. If you have a video, demonstrating you while doing the job, cleaning the carpet. Or if you have a before and after, this works great as well. Take a look at the template right here. Okay, and again, you can download the templates if you want to copy and paste this. Attention residents and homeowners, so you're basically giving away an irresistible offer. Dry carpet cleaning, this is one of the special services you have, and you basically explain what it entails, and then you give an extra incentive, the call to action, and then you add some scarcity and urgency right here. And this right here is some credibility, why your company is better than other companies, right? And they click on the get offer button and they go and fill up a form and you get the pre-qualified leads. Okay, name, email address, phone number, best day and time to book an estimate, and how many bedrooms do you have. Okay, this right here is the recipe. Okay, a good ad copy, good before and after image, video, call to action, scarcity, and at the end you need a good follow-up sequence. Okay, so when you get these pre-qualified leads on the Facebook ad, so you need to find a way to get the leads and instantly follow up with